Hello all, welcome to our Tally Gurukul YouTube channel, a place where you can learn Tally from Tally certified experts. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly go and hit the subscribe button because in the upcoming sessions we're gonna share with you the day-to-day accounting entries, GST return filing, advanced inventory management using Tally. In previous video, we have seen how we can download Tally ka 30 days ka trial lessons for free. If you have missed that video at this end of this session, I'm going to share you the link for the same. In today's video, we're going to see how we can update our Tally to the latest release. Currently, I'm using release 6.5.5 and I'm going to update it to the latest release as on date, that is 6.6.1. Chalo, let's begin with today's session. Step 1. Open your Tally application. Once your Tally application is opened, at the bottom in the information panel section, you can check which release you are using. Currently I am using 6.5.5. Okay, due to some technicalities, it's not notifying me the latest release. Don't worry, then also we can update it to the latest release, that is 6.6.1. Updating your Tally requires a valid TSS. If your TSS is expired, you cannot update your Tally to the latest version. With purchase of new Tally license, you get a 12 months free Tally subscription. During this subscription period, you can update your Tally to the latest version for free. Also, there are many more add-on benefits which you can avail during this subscription period, which I am going to share you in the upcoming sessions. If you want to renew your Tally license, I have provided my mobile number in the description section and also the official Tally renewal charges. You can check the same. There are many ways to update your Tally license to the latest release. In the information panel section at the bottom, click on release 6.5.5. It will take you to the product and features section which will showcase which version of Tally and which releases you are using. Press F12. Show all release to S and save the screen. You can see the 6.6.1 release. Click it by mouse or you can use the up and down arrow key to navigate. On the right side you can see the F6 update button. Click on it and press yes. Okay, your Tally will automatically update to the latest version 6.6.1. Meanwhile, I'm gonna select no because we're gonna see the second method to update our Tally license. Let's begin with the second technique to update Tally. I will quit the Tally application. I will right click on Tally application, properties, open file location. Here you can see a setup application. I will just double click and open it. Over here it will say whether you have to upgrade or uninstall Tally. I will click on upgrade. Then it will say Tally ERP9 release 6.6.1 latest version and valid TSS is required to run this release. I'll click on install. Within few minutes, the Tally application will get downloaded and it will be installed in the same folder. Over here you can see our Tally has been updated to the latest version, that is 6.6.1. It was a very easy methods. If you have any doubts, you can comment down in the comment section. I would like to share one good news with you all. Tally Education, the training division of Tally Solutions Bangalore, has launched the online Tally certification training program during this lockdown. Fees start just at 1800. Two certifications have been launched. One is Basics of Tally, which will be a self-learning module, and Tally Ace, for which we will be conducting online training sessions via WebEx. All the certifications will be from Tally Education Bangalore. If you have any queries regarding this certification, you can directly contact us. We Tally Gurukul are the authorized Tally training and assessment center of Tally Education Bangalore. Below are the given numbers where you can contact us. In this form, we also provided a link where you can download the brochure to understand the benefits of Tally certification. So just let's check out what benefits you get after enrolling to this course. You get a verifiable certificate from Tally. You get to learn from industry experts. You also get a portal where you can have a mock assessment as well as the final online assessment. We also provide practice exercise on all the topics, case studies on real-time business scenarios, the online e-learning contents, and also you get a free licensed version Tally for limited period. This is the link where you have to visit bit.ly/learntallyonline and you have to submit this form. This certification courses fees start just at 1800 for basics of Tally and 3600 for Tally Ace. If you have any queries regarding this certification, you can contact on these given numbers or you can write us on inquiry@tallygurukul.in. This is the form which you have to fill and submit to us so that we can get in touch with you for further process. If you don't know which Tally certification to enroll for, then choose the option Don't Know, let the counselor call and guide me for the right course. If you are not interested in online training and you are interested in classroom training, then choose the option Yes, we'll enroll for classroom training after the lockdown ends. Enroll for the Tally certification courses during this lockdown and make the most of it. Ultimately, knowledge is the thing which gonna make difference between you and others after this lockdown ends. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then go and hit the subscribe button because in the upcoming session, we're gonna see the day-to-day accounting entries, taxation, GST filing and advanced inventory management using Tally software.